Hello friends, AI and automation is the future, isn't it? Uh, no doubt AI has basically created a lot of job replacement. Basically, AI brings the automations and automation brings a lot of redundant for the people who are already working in some of the legacy systems. But at the same time, it brings a lot of job opportunities as well, which is in a different field, which is more exciting opportunities compared to what you have been doing. So need of the hour is to grab those skills that is required in order to capture those new opportunity. So today I am going to share about those area by which you can not only become productive, you will also be a person who are more uh, eligible for future work. That is what I am talking about, AI and automations, and which is for the future. So many areas as far as AI and automations upskilling is happening, but few of the area is one probably a data analysis part, right? You cannot be direct machine learning or AI engineer until you understand the data. So data analysis is key important thing, either in the form of Excels or in the form of Power BI or in the form of any other system by which it helps you to understand the data patterns, understand the uses of data better, what are the insights the data is giving. That level of understanding will help you to move into the next level of AI and automations. So first, data analysis understanding is important. Second thing is basically the machine learning algorithms, right? If you understand the basic of data and then you start applying the statistical algorithms on those or those data and bring some more insights which does not come from the kind of a prescriptive analysis, right? It is a more advanced analytics by which you are able to understand what is the pattern of data, what is the more insight that data is giving. For example, nowadays any e-commerce application that you are engaged with, they are giving you the recommendation engines, which are the recommended product that you wanted to buy on top of the products that you are buying, right? That nothing but a machine learning algorithms. Similarly, if you look at the Google translation, you look at the generative AI, those are all machine learning algorithms that is giving us as an product by which we are accelerating our jobs, we are enhancing our jobs, and we all becoming more and more intelligence using those tools, isn't it? So therefore, machine learning expert is another next step after you become a comfortable in data analysis. So learn the machine learning algorithms, apply into the existing data, try to get some insight, leverage some of the platform like kaggle.coms or the open source data analyzing tools and so on and so forth, right? Google has also given a similar platform to develop machine learnings, and across all the cloud platforms has some sort of machine learning capability that you can leverage and become machine learning expert or at least beginner, isn't it? So one is the understanding the data analysis, the key requirement. Second is basically understanding the machine learning algorithms and applying those algorithm into the data and bring some insights that will make you a persons for machine learning and also help you to become AI and automation guys. So this is the future, my dear friends. And on top of these technical skills, I think more important skills in today's generation is the communication skills, right? Collaboration skills. Nobody is working in a silos. How can you collaborate with other and take the resources and knowledge that the other person have and you don't have? So in order to do that, probably you need to learn communication and collaboration skills. Communication is the key, because until and unless you are able to build a relationship through your communications, through your attitude, you will not be the person to grow any place, either in society or in the organizations. So third skill is probably communication skills, which is a part of soft skill today, isn't it? Probably another skill is emotional intelligence, which is another most important in today's context, because there is a huge amount of competition, there is a huge amount of challenges because of human population has increased, opportunities are less, competitions are more. So you need to be resilient, you need to be a person of emotional intelligence, which essentially means you need to be resilient, you need to be a person of strong mentality by which you are able to control yourself in spite of all the challenges. And the important thing is from emotional intelligence, what I understand is you need to be empathic and kind persons to understand the things, to look at the things from others perspective rather than just looking from your perspective, isn't it? So what so far I have covered. The data analysis is another starting point as far as AI and automation is concerned. Then machine learning algorithm and applying those algorithms into data. Third is communication skills and collaboration skills to collaborate with your colleagues, to collaborate with your seniors, collaborate with your juniors, and start ball rollings. And another important skill, basically soft skills or emotional intelligent parts, communication part. These are essentials because until and unless you are able to understand the people better, until and unless you understand the real challenges and become ready for face those challenges, you will not. It will not be easy to become a AI and automation expert. So these are the few areas I think you should definitely start with. Engage with the people, understand more about the data, and apply wherever and wherever you can, and that way you will become a persons of future and persons of next generations, and which will help you to grow both in the society and the organization as a whole. With this note, this is Nirpa Chetri. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.